Hi, my name is Grant Kramer, and I am a professor emeritus at the University of Nevada, Reno. This quiz is a multiple choice test. There are 5 possible answers. There's only one correct answer that satisfies the question.
1. Ethylene is A, a gas, B, a plant hormone, C, a product of tailpipe exhaust, D, all of the above, E, none of the above. 2. Ethylene can A, stimulate growth, B, inhibit growth, C, ripen climacteric fruit, D, all of the above, E, none of the above. 3. The precursor to ethylene in plants is A, ethanol, B, ethane, C, methionine, D, all of the above, E, none of the above. 4. The receptors for ethylene are located in the A, plasma membrane, B, endoplasmic reticulum membrane, C, chloroplast membrane, D, all of the above, E, none of the above. 5. Blank inhibits ethylene synthesis and or action. A, STS, B, AVG, C, AOA, D, all of the above, E, none of the above.
In the next video, you will see the answers to this quiz. Have a great day.